We were speaking about the paper pattern. Section number 1, we were talking about section number 1. In second year, section number 1, he will ask you to complete the lines and give explanation. Complete the verses and explain them. In this way, he will ask you. He will give you poem lines, and middle of the lines, they give blanks. Those blanks you have to fill and give the explanation. Got it? Out of 3 options, you have to answer 1. You will get 3 marks, you will get 6 marks for it. Now come to section number 2. Section number 2 belongs to poetry, and he will ask you to write the summary of any one poem in not less than 100 words in your own language. So he will give you 3 options for this year. This paper pattern is for this academic year, not for the coming year. Okay. He will give you 3 options. Out of 3 options, you have to answer 1. You have to write the summary of the poem in not less than 100 words. So you may extend your summary to 150 words, you will get full marks. And if you want to extend your summary too long, so you can extend up to 300 words, but not more than 300 words. If you extend the summary in more than 300 words, so space will not be sufficient. Space will not left for you to complete, to answer remaining sections. Okay, because the answer booklet will be limited. The BIE is providing 24 pages answer booklet. You are supposed to confine your answers to those 24 pages of answer booklet. Got it? Now, next one is section number. What is section number 2? Section number 2, he will ask you to write the summary in not less than 100 words from poetry section. Out of 3 options, you have to answer 1. Got it? Next, section number 3. In section number 3, he will ask you to write the summary of section of the lesson. He will ask you the summary from section prose. 3 lesson names will be given. Out of those 3 lesson names, you have to answer 1. You will get 6 marks. The same, you have to answer your summary in not less than 100 words, maximum up to 300 words. You will get 6 marks for it. Now come to section number 4. The only section which belongs to non-detail is section number 4. In this section, he will give you question and answers from non-detail section. He will ask you to answer the questions in Arabic. So how you have to answer? You have to answer in Arabic. For each question, you will get 4 marks. Okay. For answering two questions, you will get 8 marks. How many options will be given? 5 options will be given. From 5 question and answers, you have to answer 2. Earlier, he was giving 4 questions. You were answering 2. This year, he will give you 5 questions. You have to answer only 2 questions. If you write the answers without choice, that would be better for you. You will be on the safe side. Okay. If one answer becomes wrong, the other answer will support you. You will get full marks. Now come to section number 5. Section number 5, in section number 5, he will ask you to give the reference of the poem lines. He will give you the poem lines and ask you to give the reference to which poem this line belongs. He will give you the poem line. For example, if he gives Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu Lahu Sifatul Baqiyatu. What you have to do, you have to give the name of the poem after writing this line. Hadal Baitu min Unshudati. You have to by heart this Hadal Baitu min Unshudati. then you have to write the name of the poem. Got it? Now, section number, out of 5 options you have to answer 2, each carries 3 marks. In this way you will get 6 marks. Got it? Next section is section number 6. In section number 6, he will ask you to give reference of the surah lines, or he will ask you to give the reference of the lesson lines. He will give you the ayats of surahs, or he will give you the lines from the lessons. So if he gives ayat of the surah, for example, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. So you have to give the reference, hadhil ayatu min suratin nas. This ayat belongs to the surah An-Nas, the people. Okay. If he gives the line from lesson line, so you have to write Hada Satru min Darsi. This line belongs to the lesson. Okay. If the line belongs to Khidmatul Walidain, you have to write Khidmatul Walidain. Okay. Out of 5 options, you have to answer 2. You will get, each bit carries 3 marks. In this way, you will get 6 marks. Now come to next section, section number 7. Section number 7 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. He will give you 5 question and answers from section poetry. You have to answer 2. Each carries 3 marks. In this way, you will get 6 marks. These answers should be answered, these questions should be answered in Arabic. Okay. Now come to section number, after 7, 8. What is section number 8? Section number 8 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. He will give you the question and answers from section prose, and he will ask you to write answer in Arabic. Okay. Each carries 3 marks. Out of 5 options, you have to answer 2. Now you will get 6 marks from this section. Come to section number 9. The changes are over. From section number 1 to section number 8, changes were made. But from section number 9 to section number 16, no changes are made. The paper pattern is, as it was earlier. Okay. As it was in the previous year. From section number 9 to section number 16, same options are there. No changes. Changes are made only up to section number 8. Now come to section number 9. 9 belongs to poetry, and he will give you questions from poetry and ask you to give the answer in one word in Arabic. Give the answer in one word or in one phrase in Arabic. Out of 5, you have to answer 5, you will get 5 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Now come to section number 10. Section number 10 belongs to prose, carries 5 marks. Out of 5 questions, you have to answer 5, each carries 1 mark, you will get 5 marks. Okay. You have to answer in one word or in one phrase in Arabic. Got it? Section number 11. 11 belongs to grammar, and he will ask you to write a letter from 2 letters. He will give you 2 letters, you have to write 1 letter, carries 5 marks. The important letter in this section is the write your biodata for the post of a translator. For the post of the translator, you have to write your personal details, biodata. This letter is important. So prepare well. The total 3 letters are there in your reader. If you prepare 2 letters, then you are on the safe side. If you want to prepare only 1 letter, then go for translator. Okay. Now come to section number, after 11, 12. 12 has 2 bits, 2 sub-bits, 12A and B. In 12A, he will ask you to identify possessive phrase, and in 12B, he will ask you to identify nominal sentence. Out of 6 options, you have to answer 4. You will get each question, each bit carries, 12A carries 4 marks, 12B carries 4 marks. Now come to section number 13. Section number 13 belongs to grammar. He will ask you question and answers from grammar section. You have to answer. Out of 4 options, you have to answer 2. Each carries 4 marks. You will get 8 marks from this section. Come to section number 14. 14 carries two subbits, 14a and 14b. In 14a, he will ask you to convert present tense into imperative form. He will give you present form. For example, taktubu. He will give you taktubu, then you have to convert this taktubu into imperative form. What is the method of changing the present into imperative form? The method of changing present into imperative is just simply drop initial ta from the beginning, drop ta from the beginning and replace it with alif. The answer will be over. Okay, it will become uktub. Okay, after replacing, just you need not to give vowels. You need not to put vowels on the letters. Just without vowels, you give your answer. Now, section number 14b. 14b belongs to grammar, and he will ask you to convert present tense into negative imperative form or prohibitive form. Okay, prohibitive form or negative imperative are one and the same. In prohibitive form, what you have to do to convert the present into prohibitive, just simply prefix lam alif to the given word. Answer will be over. Okay. For example, tajlisu, la tajlis. La, you have to prefix la before the given word. Come to section number 15. 15 also belongs to grammar, carries 6 marks. In this section, he will give you fill in the blanks from grammar section. From grammar section, he will give you fill in the blanks. You have to fill all the blanks. You will be asked to complete 6 fill in the blanks out of 8. Okay. Options will be given underneath the blanks. Below the blanks, options will be given. You have to choose the option and put in the correct place. Got it? Section number 16. 16 belongs to grammar, and he will ask you to correct the following sentences. Minor correction will be there in the sentence. Sentence will be given in Arabic. You have to make the change. You have to rectify the incorrect word and correct it, rewrite the whole sentence, rewrite the complete sentence in the answer sheet. Out of 5, you have to answer 5. You will get how many marks? 5 marks for this. Got it? This was your paper pattern. Now we shall